I love privacy concerns. No, I don't love privacy concerns, but I love what they're yielding for us if we're trying to snoop on what other businesses are doing. Hi, I'm Samantha Cunningham Zawilinski, and this week in Hard Facts, we're going to talk about an update that is pretty advantageous to you and your business if you're running a LinkedIn strategy. So what we're getting into this week is how LinkedIn has recently released the opportunity to see what ads your competition is running. So Facebook led the way with this charge in showing you the info and ads tab on their platform, but now on LinkedIn, there is a whole ads tab where you can take a look at the ads your competitors are running. It's going to show you ads that have ran in the last 6 months, so one thing to keep in mind here is it may not show you the most recent, but it will show you the most recent first. So here's how you're going to jump in and take a look at what your competition is running. So how you do this is you head over to LinkedIn and take a look at any business's page. When you do this, on the left-hand side, you will see a new little option says ads. Click there and it'll show you all of those ads that your competitor has run in the last 6 months according to LinkedIn. They do say that you'll see the most recent first, however, these ads may be currently running, paused, or only ran for a brief period of time. The thing here that's going to be advantageous to us, although we cannot see the targeting they're using, we can dive in and take a look at not only the avenues of their business they're promoting, but how they're promoting things, the language they're using, the custom content they're creating, and the ad formats they're capitalizing on. So is everything a static ad? Are they using video? Are they incorporating multimedia into it? This is going to allow you to compare what they're doing to your strategy. Now, don't get too caught into the comparison game, but if they are killing you in one segment of your business, it may be an opportunity to see why or where or what they're saying to your shared audience. Now here you won't be able to see the engagement, but what you can do is you can actually copy and paste this link over into your browser, and then it'll show you this ad as it appears if it was on your LinkedIn feed. So if you have the time and really want to get into the nitty and gritty, here you can see, okay, which pieces of content are actually yielding this business engagement, shares, comments, so on and so forth. In doing this, you'll be able to say, you know what, this really resonated with their audience, maybe it's something I want to give a try. And last but not least is one additional competitive advantage here. If you are doing mystery shops of your competition to understand how they're handling their leads and sales, you're going to be able to do this through LinkedIn ads as well. You can click the call to action in the ads that you're seeing under the ads tab on LinkedIn. This means you can now fill out that form, submit a lead, and mystery shop your competition. And that's it. This is going to give you that opportunity to take a deeper dive into what ads your fellow competitors and market are running. But if you have any questions along the way, feel free to reach out to me. I would love to hear from you and also talk strategy. That's it. That's this week's episode of Hard Facts. See you next week.